1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to do 2 series. We're going to do 10 of those.
And the cadence, here it is one more time. When we start paddling, what I want you to think, it's a nice flowing cycle. It is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make good use of that cycle. Get a good long reach out there. Let it just be a continuous cycle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Long. So I'm going to leave it up to the front strokers as to what that speed really is. Remember, they still have to be functional, working strokes that we can all stay together on.
Yeah, they have to be good full strokes.
And
I'm Becky Beckett, and I paddle for TSRA, which is Tennessee Scenic Rivers Association, along with Paddle Adventures Unlimited. And I've been doing this for 4 years, and it's just a great way to raise money for a good cause for our waterways, as well as the camaraderie and just the fun of competition. So I've been doing 4 years. I'm going to keep doing it until I hopefully won't have to stop doing it anymore.